Oil keeps engines from burning out. Ever wonder why your car never stops squealing? It's not just a lubricant, it's a lifesaver. Oil slides between metal parts to reduce friction. Without it, metal would grind and overheat. Oil also carries heat away from hot spots. Oil also washes away dirt and keeps the engine clean. Oil also forms a protective film that stops rust. Some engines use synthetic oil that can last twice as long. Some cars use oil additives that turn water into fuel. Keep your engine happy, change oil on schedule every month now. Follow for more curious car facts.